In this video, I'm going to teach you guys one of the newest price action methods. This new method recognizes the actions of whales, banks, and financial institutions. Using this strategy, you won't ever have a loss again and will always experience big profits. In this strategy, I'm going to use an indicator. With this indicator, we are going to distinguish the actions of whales and enter the trades at the best positions. Let's learn about this strategy on the chart. As you can see, I've already added the indicator to my chart, and make sure to watch the video and listen to my explanations carefully because I'm gonna mention some really important points. I haven't drawn these shadows that you see on the chart. The indicator has found and drawn these blocks itself. In these zones, banks and whales buy or sell shares in big quantities and change the direction of the market movement, and what this indicator does is finding these actions of whales. In these two blocks, the amount of buy orders with big quantities are very high. This indicator warns us that movement of the market is gonna be increasing in these two zones by distinguishing them. And at this red block, banks have set up a big amount of sell orders and the price will be decreasing from this point forward. For example, many traders may think the price is gonna be increasing after this area, and they would draw a horizontal line at minimum of support zone so that they would set up to enter buying trades whenever the candlesticks touch the line again. Let's see how the price is gonna react to this line. Will it move upwards after touching the line or not? Well, the price has reached to the intended line, but the indicator is showing that the bank's buy orders are set up in this block. Here, the red bearish candlestick reacted to the line and the next candlestick turned to be green, and after that a pin bar candlestick was formed. Most of the traders enter a long trade when they see these candlesticks, but they don't realize that they've fallen into bank's trap. And they set their stop losses under these candlesticks. They open a buying trade exactly on these candlesticks and they set the stop loss under these candlesticks. They have tricked most of the traders and their stop losses have been activated and they all have experienced loss. The best position to enter scalp trading is this zone that the indicator has distinguished it for us. Let's see the future of the trend. Well, the price has reached this area. A big quantity of buy orders were activated and the price went up close to this red area. After that, the price fell until the previous order block. And this order block is not valid anymore because no buy orders exist in this area anymore. See, we entered a trade from this order block and the price went up to this order block that the selling trades have been set up in it. And because a big amount of selling trades have been set up here by the banks, the price fell significantly after this block. The price fell until this zone, and here, because there are many buy orders, the falling stopped. And that is because the quantity of buy orders here may be very high. See, in this area there are extremely high amounts of sell orders, and after reaching this zone, the trend of the market has completely changed and turned to be decreasing. If the market trend passes this zone downwards, it would probably decrease until the lowest order block. And after this block, it would be supported to turn back up. Let me show you this process in the Bitcoin chart. Why do you think the price of Bitcoin couldn't pass 25K? Because here the whales had set up sell orders and here was the supply zone. So the price decreased after reaching this zone, and this order block indicator has already found this zone. The best position to buy Bitcoin is right here, and the best position to sell Bitcoin is here, that the indicator has already distinguished. Let me show you the indicator that I used in this strategy. Search order block here, add this order block with signals to your chart. Let's change its settings. We change this blue to red and set the background to red as well. We also increase the opacity a little bit. That's it for the indicator settings. I hope you've learned this new price action method and use it in your trades. If you found this video useful, make sure to leave a like to support me. For the next video, I'm going to prepare a very profitable strategy that is made by combining multiple other strategies. Make sure to turn on the notification and wait for the next video.